Advanced Tech Watch presents the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat in stunning ceramic gray, a muscle car that continues to dominate the American performance scene with raw power, aggressive styling, and modern upgrades. The 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat remains one of the most iconic American muscle cars ever built. Even in 2026, Dodge stays true to its roots by delivering a bold, retro-inspired design combined with next-level engineering. The ceramic gray color adds a premium, stealthy look that perfectly matches the car's aggressive personality. It's not just a color, it's a statement of power and sophistication. Under the hood, the 2026 Hellcat is powered by a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 engine that produces around 717 horsepower in the base Hellcat trim. However, higher trims like the Hellcat Red Eye push that number beyond 797 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful production muscle cars available in the United States. The engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission for pure driving enthusiasts or an 8-speed automatic transmission for faster, smoother performance. When it comes to performance, this beast can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 3.5 seconds. The top speed exceeds 200 miles per hour in the Red Eye version, making it not just a muscle car but a supercar killer. The wide-body option enhances grip and stability, thanks to wider tires and improved suspension tuning. The exterior design of the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat stays classic yet aggressive. The ceramic gray finish gives it a modern, premium edge. The front fascia features a bold grille with dual air intakes, functional hood scoops, and signature LED headlights that give a fierce look. The wide stance, muscular fenders, and large alloy wheels further enhance its road presence. Moving inside, the interior is a mix of comfort, technology, and performance-focused design. Premium materials like leather and Alcantara are used throughout the cabin. The driver gets a flat-bottom steering wheel, performance gauges, and a customizable digital instrument cluster. The infotainment system includes a large touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and premium audio system options. One of the standout features is the SRT Performance pages, which allow drivers to monitor real-time performance data, such as horsepower, torque, G-forces, and lap times. It turns the car into a track-ready machine while still being comfortable for daily driving. Safety features in the 2026 model have also been improved. It includes adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, lane departure warning, and forward collision warning. While the performance car, Dodge ensures that drivers get modern safety technologies as well. Now let's talk about pricing. In the United States, the base 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat is expected to start at around $72,000. The Hellcat Red Eye model can go up to approximately $85,000 or more, depending on options and packages. Fully loaded versions with wide-body kits, premium interiors, and advanced features can easily cross the $90,000 mark. Fuel economy is not the main focus here, but for reference, it offers around 13 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This car is built for power, not efficiency. In conclusion, the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Ceramic Gray is more than just a car. It's a symbol of American muscle heritage. It combines brutal power, iconic design, and modern technology into one unforgettable driving experience. Whether you're a collector, a speed enthusiast, or someone who simply loves aggressive cars, the Hellcat remains one of the best choices in its class. If you want a car that turns heads, shakes the ground, and delivers unmatched performance, the 2026 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat in ceramic gray is the ultimate machine to own.